What's up everyone, I'm Yami0 and today I'm going to show you how to install the Conquest Resource Pack. This comes with new textures, new sounds, and a couple of new mods. Now I'm going to show you how to install this for Minecraft 1.7.10. For this, I'm going to have the links to everything in the description, but first you want to go to the resource-packs.org/conquest. Once you're right here, you'll see a whole bunch of different links. We're going to click this one right here, the 1.7-1.6 installer. There are some here for newer versions. I haven't installed those, so I don't know completely if they're exactly the same, but I'm going to assume they install the same. All you want to do is click installer. It'll take you to add focus. I have adblock installed so they don't show for me, but you want to wait the 6 seconds and then click skip. If you do not have adblock, you're going to see a whole bunch of different ads and things that are going to want you to download in this window. Do not click any of it. Wait for the 6 seconds to finish up here and then click skip. It'll take you to their other link and it'll give you the file down here. I have the advanced firewall, so it does not like jar files, so don't think it's harmful, but I'm going to hit keep. And then once you have that installed, you can come over here to wherever you download the file. I have it in my downloads. And you just want to double click it. And you'll get something just like this. You're just going to hit download, and depending on your internet, it can take between 5 and 15 minutes. If it looks like it's stopped at 99%, give it a couple minutes because it does install some mods. It could need that extra push to finish up. Once you reach the end, it should say something along the lines of launch Conquest or start Conquest, but I already have this installed, so I am not going to install it again. Once you do, it should automatically open up your vanilla launcher. And once it does, it should automatically have a new profile down here for you called Conquest Mod Pack right here. It should automatically start this anytime you open unless you change profile. If you want to go back to vanilla, just simply click your username. If you want to use a different mod, click in Forge and it'll run your Forge mods instead. But we're going to keep it on Conquest and just simply hit play. It'll load up, everything will be fine. And if you get it loaded properly, it should look just like this. There is a couple of things I want to show you. If you already had mods installed and you try and add this, because it adds a couple mods, it doesn't want to screw with your mods, so it changes the location of your mods. I'm on Windows 10, so I'm going to type it in the access bar. If you're on Windows 8, it should be down here instead, your little search bar. I'm going to click here, go to percent, app, data, percent. Percent sign, APPDATA, percent sign. Hit enter. Once you're in your data roaming file, you want to click .minecraft. Open that. Your mods should be right here in the mods_backup. All of them are right here. You can just take those, drag them to the desktop, open your mods and drag them in. These are all the new mods it adds. It does add a new minimap, so if you already have a minimap, you can keep the one you have, or you can try the one it has and figure out which one you like more, and then keep one of them. There is one mod I'm going to recommend you remove. It's this one right here. This one is a fly hack mod. I'm not going to tell you how to run it for obvious reasons, but I just recommend remove it because if you're caught with it on any server, you're gonna get banned with it. So it's better just to remove it so you're not even tempted to. And that's how you install it, because once you do that, everything should up and it runs just fine. I'm going to show you some of the things it adds at the end of the video, but for now I'm going to show you how to install Pixelmon, so you can have Pixelmon running at the same time, because if you have to start using the vanilla launcher. There is a way to run it on the Technic by dragging files, but I'm not sure where to drag them. So if you really have a mod pack on Technic you want to run, I'll look into how to get it transferred over for you and get it taken care of. Now, if you want to install Pixelmon, I'll have this linked as well. It's the pixelmonmod.com. And because of Oblivion Pixelmon networks run on 3.5.1.7.10 right here. It's it's the second to last one, you want to click this download right here. Click that. It should open up in a new page. You want to click download Pixelmon 3.1.5. It should come down here, and it should, just for me, it'll keep the same and think it's a harmful file. It's not. I'm going to clear this because I already got it installed, since it does take about 10 minutes because it is a large mod. The other thing you need is Minecraft Forge. It's going to be the downloads 1.7.10. You'll have a whole bunch of different things. You can click here if you want a newer version, but we're sticking with 1.7.10. You want to click here on Installer. It'll come up again with Add Focus. Remember, do not click anything you see in this window. All of this is just junk. You want to wait those couple of seconds, hit skip. It should come up down here on the bottom. To give you an example of what this would look like, let's pause AdBlock and reload this page. So you'd see all this different stuff here, like accept and install. Do not click any of this. This is just going to be bad news all over. Just wait for the skip and then click that. Leave this page. Alright, and with that, open up a new file where you have your downloads. And then you got Forge. Remove this. You got your Forge and your Pixelmon. Once again, you're going to have to go to your percent app data percent. Enter, go back to your .minecraft, and into your mods. Once you're here, you can take your Pixelmon 1.7.10-3.5.1 Universal, and you're going to drag it right in here. And once you do that, you can close out of your mods folder, and then you got to double click Forge to open it. Once it's open, there's 3 different subsections here. There's install client, install server, and extract. It should default be on install client. Just hit OK and it'll install all the files it needs in the correct location. I'm not going to because I already have it installed. Once you do, you can reopen Minecraft. It should still automatically open with the mod Conquest. If it does not, I showed you how to switch between profiles, and just go ahead and click Conquest, and after that it should keep opening there.